So you all must be wondering what the Maverick up to this evening. Well, Sita, we are splitting justice, Sita, splitting justice. With this spiraling Darren Bravo controversy with the West Indies Cricket Board from day one, I have argued that in the wider scheme of things, Darren Bravo is a little upstart, a normal cricketer who is not yet earned the status or the right to call the West Indies Board president a big idiot. Put it this way, Darren Bravo is no Viv Richards or even Brian Lara to take them kind of liberty and get away with it. Bravo is just a little knockoff star in a worthless losing West Indies team and should apologize and remove that insolent tweet before he can play back for the West Indies again. Me fully agree with Dave Cameron with that. But when the WICB goes as far as to stop the man from representing his country, even in a practice match, for want of a better term, a big idiot thing that. I mean, what is the commensurate sanction for calling the board president a big idiot? A sweeping, indefinite ban from international and regional cricket and all WICB organized cricket? No, sir. That to me is excessive and personal. They have a thing named natural justice, which dictates fairness and implies that the time must be commensurate with the crime. And the WICB is in breach of the principle of natural justice. And remember now, this is coming from the same Maverick who is also saying that for all I care, Darren Bravo could have never put on a West Indies shirt again because he is really a nobody in a nothing team and has no right to be styling the board president. That is the Maverick. Splitting justice. See that? Justice split.